Modern cars have extensive self-diagnosis capabilities. Various icons on the dashboard inform the driver about problems and malfunctions. But don't panic right away if one of them catches fire. The display on the dashboard is not only cautionary, but also informative. Let's take a closer look at what the warning lights built into the dashboard tell the driver. Cars are constantly evolving, becoming more comfortable, safer, more functional, and more technologically advanced. However, at the same time, their design becomes more complicated. But if at the dawn of history, only specially trained people who were able to repair cars on their own could drive them, today, a person who does not have knowledge about the structure of transport as a whole and its individual components and assemblies can drive. The car of the past, which was simple in design, did not require a large number of sensors to monitor its condition. Nowadays, cars contain a huge number of mechanical and electrical components, the performance of which is controlled by dozens, if not hundreds of elements. The more expensive and luxurious a car is, the more systems it has that require constant monitoring. And the breakdown of even one component, working in complex conjunction with other parts, can completely immobilize the car. Therefore, the ability to control nodes is still at the development stage. In order not to clutter the driver's field of vision with a multitude of warning lights, separate signs are displayed on the panel. Such an indication on the dashboard allows the person behind the wheel to understand whether everything is in order with the car. There are many symbols, and some of them may seem incomprehensible, but it is necessary to be guided by the key indicators on the dashboard of the car. For safe driving of the car, as well as to avoid expensive repairs, it is important to decipher in time even the small icon that the dashboard suddenly showed. What types of dashboard icons do cars have? All signs on the dashboard in the car can be divided into three main groups. Informational. Such icons on the dashboard notify the driver about the operation of certain systems, or indicate a separate mode of operation of one of the components. Warning signs. These signs on the dashboard notify the driver of any non-critical problems or failures, and also inform them that consumables, such as windshield washer fluid, are running out, requiring an immediate response. The most important signs on the dashboard of the car. Their correct interpretation can save you from serious problems. Such indicators cannot be ignored. All symbols on the dashboard have different color markings which also need to be guided. Why are the icons on the dashboard in different colors? The main purpose of the signs on the dashboard is to warn the driver. Therefore, depending on the degree of their importance, the color also changes. This differentiation makes each icon on the dashboard more similar to the individual sections of the traffic light. Green or blue color. These informational icons on the car's dashboard do not demand attention, but quietly notify the driver that certain systems are active and functioning properly. For example, that the low beam, which is green, or high beam, which is blue, is on. Cruise control is activated. The system independently maintains the set speed, and if the cruise is adaptive, controls the distance to the car in front. The blinking of the light bulb indicates a malfunction in the system. Changeable suspension modes, sport, and comfortable adjustment of shock absorbers. Eco mode. The fuel economy system is turned on, or the engine speed is in the most economical zone. Start-stop system is working, which automatically turns off the engine when the car stops. The parking lights are on. The fog lights are on. The high beam is on. You can blind other drivers. Please don't do that. Unheated engine. You can drive, but slowly, without trying too hard with the accelerator pedal. A turn signal is a flashing light that indicates the driver's intention to make a turn, left or right. Turning on both direction indicators simultaneously signals an emergency stop. Parking sensor. The parking sensor helps the driver to park in tight spaces. This function can be enabled by the drivers in certain cars. When the function is enabled, this icon is displayed in the dashboard. Auto glide control. Electric vehicles can legitimately coast. When that's happening, this auto glide dash icon lets you know. AGC helps you make the most of your electric range. Note, this icon also looks like a foot lifting off a pedal, or a green leaf in some models. EV ready mode. As tech moves on, there are more green icons to remind you something is acting positively. Like this friendly little reminder that you're running on zero emissions. And this indicator means your vehicle is prepared to drive in electric-only mode if conditions allow. You'll typically see this on hybrid or plug-in hybrid vehicles, PHEVs, especially from brands like Toyota, Lexus, Honda, Ford, etc. Yellow or orange color. It says that the car either has some kind of malfunction or needs maintenance. In most cases, such warning signs on the dashboard of a car do not imply an immediate reaction from the driver, but indicate that the car will have to be taken care of in the near future. The most famous yellow icon is check engine, or simply check. Indicates an engine malfunction. They may be insignificant and have almost no effect on engine's work, or they can cause big problems. For example, if the spark plug fails, the catalytic converter can be damaged if you continue to drive in this mode. Follow the situation. If there are no noticeable engine failures, make an appointment for diagnostics. And if the sound changes or the traction worsens, don't take any chances. Call a tow truck. The failure lamp of the ABS, anti-lock braking system. The braking system itself will continue to work normally, therefore the lamp is not red. But in case of emergency braking, the car may start to skid. The most common source of problems with ABS is the sensors of the system or their wiring. Computer diagnostics in the service will help you determine the exact causes. Tire pressure. Showing tire tread on a one-dimensional icon is completely impossible. Don't be embarrassed if you never really understood this icon. It does look like a one-eyed monster. It's all about your car's TPMS, Tire Pressure Management System. It lights up when the pressure drops by more than 20% in one of the wheels, including the spare one. Once you've reinflated your tires, you'll probably need to reset something to clear the warning light too. The washer fluid icon is a busy one, featuring plenty of action. Spray, a screen, moisture on said screen. If it's on, you're running low on washer fluid. It's particularly annoying in the more inclement months where muddy surface water, flicked up from lorries, is all your wipers can shift. Take a refillable bottle in the car, just in case. Yellow airbag indicator. Some of the airbags are not working, but not because of a malfunction of the system, but because of their forced shutdown. For example, to transport a child in a child safety seat, or when driving off-road. Such a lamp can automatically light up if a passenger with too little weight is riding in the front seat. The system considers him a child and turns off the pillow. It's better to move it to the back row. Electronic stability program. Alarm system shutdown of the stabilization system. It can be deactivated either manually by pressing a button or automatically due to some error. Act on the situation. If the lamp is lit without your participation, plan a visit to the service to find the problem. Active lane departure. If this feature has been activated and you don't put your indicators on before you make a lane change, you might find your car will try and pull you back to the center of your lane. Like an omnipotent force working against you. All-wheel drive warning light. Forced locking of one of the differentials of an all-wheel drive vehicle. The yellow color of the lamp reminds you that restrictions apply in this mode. As a rule, it is forbidden to drive on a hard surface, asphalt. Do not forget to disable the locks when driving off-road so as not to damage the transmission. Forward collision warning. Known as FCW or FCA, the forward collision warning or alert icon can help you go about your day without drama. Your forward collision warning system is intended to warn you when you are getting dangerously close to the vehicle in front. If you receive a warning from your forward collision warning system, or if it begins braking for you, be prepared to brake or steer to safety. Glow plug warning light. Exclusive lamp for diesel engines. Glow plugs work. It is recommended to start the engine only after the indicator goes out. It stays on for a few seconds, while the glow plugs warm up the combustion chamber for a smoother start, especially in cold weather. Low fuel warning light. The low fuel warning light indicates it's time to refuel, usually triggered when the fuel tank is at a low level, typically around 10% capacity, and can be a static or flashing light. Electrical fault. Of course, driving an electric car isn't all rainbows and cupcakes. If your EV has developed an electrical fault, then you're not going anywhere. Signposted by something that looks like this in kinda serious orange or really serious red. The fact you're not moving anywhere might give it away too. Limited EV power. When you're warned you've got low battery, that's the time to charge. Cut it too fine, and you might see this little fella light up. This Aesop-inspired tortoise indicates that power is limited, and you'll be forced to a crawl. The Maint Reek D light on your dashboard. It stands for Maintenance Required, and most common on Toyota and Lexus vehicles. It's a reminder, not a warning, usually triggered every 5,000 miles to remind you it's time for scheduled maintenance, typically an oil change. It's not linked to diagnostic trouble codes or serious malfunctions. Check your owner's manual or maintenance log. It's probably time for oil and filter change, tire rotation, fluid level checks. After servicing, the light can be manually reset using a sequence on your dashboard or steering buttons. Night vision pedestrian warning. No matter your views on autonomous driving, modern cars have ability to detect potential obstacles, like people on the road, in the dark, when human vision is arguably most compromised, is something very few of us would criticize. Icy road conditions. As we creep rapidly towards winter, you'll be seeing your car's temperature gauge flashing snowflakes as it indicates more risky driving conditions. When it's icy, your car's dash will let you know with a symbol like this. Blind spot light is on. When the system detects a vehicle driving in an adjacent lane approaching the rear of the driver's vehicle, a common blind spot area, it notifies the driver with an indicator. If the driver activates the turn signal in this situation, the system alerts the driver with a chime and continuously flashes the indicator light to assist the driver in avoiding a collision. Car key not present. In cars that use the so-called keyless entry system, a symbol may light up showing a key with signal symbols. When this light is on, it means that the driver has forgotten to take the key with them. The car cannot detect the key, so it will not start. The red color. If the indicators on the dashboard have a red tint, it means that some urgent action needs to be taken. Which ones will let you know by interpreting the icons on the dashboard, which should be studied in advance. In most cases, if the dashboard icon turns red, it means that it is unsafe to continue driving, and it is better to stop. If the icons on the dashboard are not only red but also flashing, this is an alert about a critical breakdown, in which it is strictly forbidden to continue driving. Handbrake light is on. The exclamation mark in the circle is a schematic representation of a brake drum with pads on the sides. Sometimes the label brake is used instead. This is the most serious indicator that is on the dashboard. A car with a broken braking system may simply not stop. If you're driving, you've arrived. Slow down immediately and pull over to the curb. Be prepared to brake the engine and use the handbrake if the brakes fail. The brake lamp lights up when the brake fluid level in the tank is low. Start by checking it. If it is slightly below normal, top up the liquid, start the car, press the brake pedal several times, and check if the level has decreased again. If the red light has returned, there is only one safe way to continue the journey: a tow truck. Sometimes the same lamp lights up when using the parking brake. The logic is simple. First of all, you can't drive with the handbrake clamp. Secondly, pulling the handbrake, of course on a stationary car, is an easy way to check the serviceability of such an important lamp. This magic Aladdin lamp is nothing more than a tank of engine oil, which means a low pressure in the engine lubrication system. With such a burning lamp, you are unlikely to go far. If you try, you will probably kill the engine. Stop immediately, turn off the engine, and check the oil level. Most likely, it is below the minimum level. Top up the oil if necessary, or drain some oil if the level is too high. If the light stays on, it is advisable to go to the garage. Battery light is on. The red battery light will always show when the ignition is switched on, but the engine is not running. If this light remains illuminated when the car is running, it indicates that the battery is drained and possibly not being charged. This could be related to an alternator fault, failed drive belt, or other components. If you're close to a garage, it's advisable to drive there. If you're on the road without the ability to stop at a garage, stop and park the vehicle safely. Airbag light is on. This icon will appear on the dashboard if there are any faults with the airbag or SRS system. Be careful. In the event of an accident, a non-functioning airbag can cause serious injury. So make sure that this fault is addressed as soon as possible. Door open light is on. When the ignition is on and one of the doors is open, this warning light will illuminate. Emergency brake assist. In cars equipped with the brake assist functionality, also called EBA, this light will light up red if you approach the car in front of you too quickly. If this functionality is disabled, the light will light up orange. If the light stays on constantly, there's a good chance that there is a fault in the system. Power steering light is on. When the power steering of the car fails, this warning light will light up. This will of course be noticeable by a heavier steering car. This fault can be caused by a lack of oil, but electronic causes can also be the cause. Trunk boot light is on. When the ignition is on and the boot is open, this warning light will illuminate. Bonnet light on. When the ignition is on and the bonnet is open, this warning light will illuminate. Steering lock light is on. When this light is displayed, the steering wheel is in the steering lock. On the road, you rarely see this indicator. Even if it did activate while you were moving, it's scarce that the steering would genuinely lock. If it starts while driving, try restarting the engine once you have pulled into a secure parking space. You can keep driving the automobile until the light goes out, but keep an eye out for it during the coming weeks. Brake fluid light is on. This light may come on if the brake fluid level is low. How do I find out what the icons on the dashboard of a car mean? Interpreting the dashboard indicators may seem complicated, but in fact, the meaning of the them can be found in the owner's manual of a particular car, which is best always stored in the cabin, for example, in the glove compartment. The documentation lists all possible signs on the car's dashboard, which are almost invisible when inactive. A particular car may have a rather limited set of indicators. For example, some cars do not have an alarm for a low level of washing liquid, because the availability of certain lamps depends on the model of the cars. However, on some models there are also quite exotic indicators, the meaning of which is difficult to understand without instructions. What should I do if the icons on the car panel light up? If the dashboard in the car displays symbols unknown to you, especially yellow and red colors, the situation is far from normal. And if you do not know the meaning of the icons on the dashboard of the car, it is better to consult a specialist. For example, you can call the service, find out the meaning of the warning light, and find out if it is possible to continue driving or better to call a tow truck. So, in short, the illuminated icon on the dashboard requires attention, but not always instant response. Green or blue icons indicate that there is nothing wrong with the car. They remind you which systems are currently running. Yellow icons are a sign of problems with the car, which allow you to move on, but with caution. Red badges indicate serious problems with the car. It is better to contact the service. Study the owner's manual of your car to know which icons are on the dashboard of the car and what they mean.